My name's Trevor Thayer. I am the Technical Service Manager over here at TurboChef Technologies. In this video, we're going to go over how to properly test the RTD, or temperature sensor, in our bullet oven. This same test is going to be applicable to just about all of the ovens in our product line. Only a handful of things are needed, just a meter and some ice water. Okay, here we're going to go over how to test the RTD, or the temperature sensor, in the TurboChef bullet oven. It is the same process for our entire product line that uses RTDs. If you're interested on how to get the RTD removed from the oven, you can refer to the video where we demonstrate how to remove it from the bullet oven, or you can refer to the service manual for the particular model that you're working on. In order to perform the test, we want to go ahead and get a cup of ice water. Doesn't matter what kind of cup it is, as long as it's mostly filled with ice and there's enough water to bring it up to the top of the cup. From there, you're going to take your probe and you're going to stick it in the cup of ice water and allow it to soak. As it's soaking, you're going to use your multimeter. You can use any multimeter you like, as long as it has the ability of measuring resistance. And you're going to connect it to both sides of the RTD. And you can see we're starting to get a resistance value there on the meter. As the probe soaks, you should see that resistance slowly start to drop. After about 45 seconds or so, it should read somewhere between 98 and 102 ohms. As long as it's reading between 98 and 102 ohms, the probe is good. If it is outside of that range, the probe has failed and will need to be replaced.